CP24 viewers sent this exclusive video to us. Just watch it. You okay?
Yes. It's crazy. Yes.
Can you believe what you just saw? Look at that. Incredible. That trailer jackknifed right in front of their very eyes, crossed the median, went through those westbound lanes. Take a look at it again. We can't watch this enough times because you would swear you were watching an action movie and this was not real. Here it goes again. This is from Matthew, a CP24 viewer. This is exclusive video to us. A driver with a dashboard camera caught this incredible moment of this tractor trailer hauling 30 tons of sand, jackknifing on the eastbound 401 just west of the Guelph line.